How do I check the view count of my Instagram story?
Welcome back. In today's video, we'll learn how to check the view count of your Instagram story. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how many people have seen your story and who they are.
What is the Instagram story view count?
The Instagram story view count is a number that represents how many times your story has been viewed by other users. Instagram also allows you to see the names of users who have viewed your story.
How do I access my Instagram story?
First, let's find your story. Follow these simple steps. 1. Open the Instagram app on your phone. 2. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. 3. At the top of your profile, tap your profile picture again to access your story.
Where do I find the view count?
Now that you have your story open, let's locate the view count. Here's what to do. 1. While watching your story, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. 2. You'll see an eye icon followed by a number. This number represents your view count. 3. To see a list of users who have viewed your story, simply swipe up on the screen.
What if I have multiple stories?
If you have multiple stories, you can check the view count for each one. Here's how. 1. Open your story by tapping your profile picture as previously described. 2. Swipe left or right to navigate between your stories. 3. As you switch between stories, the view count in the bottom left corner will update accordingly. And that's it. Now you know how to check the view count of your Instagram story. Remember, you can also see the names of users who have viewed your story by swiping up. Keep sharing your stories and engaging with your audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.